When I came, I said that I was working to turn a new leaf in the relationship between the Volta region and the New Patriotic Party. A new leaf of cooperation and of friendship that was going to bring about development of the Volta region and the development of Ghana. I've come to renew that pledge. I'm standing ready to work with you to develop the region and to develop Ghana. We are going to accelerate. We're going to accelerate the exploration of oil in the Voltaic Basin here to make sure that what we did in the Western region, we're going to repeat it in the Volta region. We're going to build a new harbor in Qatar with the support of the private sector. We're going to rebuild the harbor in Qatar. And the landing site and storage facilities that we need to get the fishing community on the coast working, we're going to do it. We have a program for national redevelopment and expansion involving the industrialization of our country. Every district is going to have one factory in it that is going to allow for the development of our country.
And I want to assure my brothers and sisters of the Upper East region that work has commenced on the Bolga-Boku road. The contractor has mobilized to site. We have the funding, and so when work starts, it's not going to stop because we have the funding. As the contractor works, he will be paid. It's going to be a first-class road between Bolga and Boku. And as we have written in our manifesto, I have promised that the 5 remaining regions that do not have up-to-the-date, state-of-the-art sports stadia are going to be given sports stadia. So, Bolgatanga, as the capital of the Upper East region, is going to get a stadium like we built in Cape Coast, a brand new sports stadium. My brothers and sisters, some people say they will do one something, one something. One something, one something. One village, one dam. And I asked them a simple question. I said, what dam are you talking about? After now, they'll not be able to describe the dam. We are engaged in establishing irrigation dams for dry season agriculture so that our farmers can have water to work all the year round. And I will continue to be their president by the grace of God. Whether they agree with me or they don't agree with me, whether they're in MPP or CPP or NDC or PPP or any PPPPP, whatever P, I am your president.
The president is next expected to visit the Boku and Chiana Paga areas.
So that's it. Campaign trail. I'm sure so what it is about the caucus. So Bibia, kama. Yeah, Kasa is here. The Upper East na political parties too. In our major ones, no MPP, NDC. Now in the Volta region, and now who first one and the president Upper East. And of course, you better call Upper East. You the chira kopim say, emerald beso say, yeah, campaign be na afi baby a din ne yɛtwɛn December 7th na yɛkɔto aba baby adun de acha 10th mama na acha atwi mu akosia members of parliament ne who your president na me Adom na afi ye prepare towards Christmas na prepare towards inauguration na afi year 2017 uze esisisu saa kama nti yesre nyame se bibia beko boko ediama Ghana for nyina especially eligible voter no a okoto aba no nti ho nsem na ye kanasa nti make sure say bebia o voter ID card debia no Mr. Fatuye na say de hyehyɛ ne sitie no okɔ na okoto aba enye tutrasem nye kasa ensem fata enhye party bi ahye nso de mfa nkogina saabia enye ho na wo be direct akoto aba akopagya akohwe wiem se metuma omanhene kwabna asante di mu dabi nto bo ase otu wi ahyehyɛ ne wo honom nya daage na free saabia ho na afi nonumachi no opese osa akɔ na akotwe wani so yaga ni spini na ho de ekoso a because party bia wo nsi anam ni wo ho nti wo a wo sa akɔtɔ ape so no de pedodo na ma ho no bɔkyere so a ene kɔji wa home ifiri no na ekɔ no sabra na begina ho din na hwese de esi kɔ yebese security agency na eguso edam ase ene se de musi kura ne ma na musi tututu ne ma no mummiem ne kese se wona de atutrasem akakabensem ebeba saada no wona prese yone beba saada no empare ye na muso mundi mudwuma obedi ama Ghana asumdi a yeguso a ye enjoy ebisi na no pay eto aso no akoso ato aso. It is very important se ebebo asumdi no bambo na Ghana aye krabehwe eba wiase afra na nyina kebima minkebi ene amanyo sem se de Ghana ye tifiri ene ye nyina akodu. Very kind of terms in Admaya Wada 1 week celebration of Otukokoso ne maame asantemai enana ehima prekope nti yawada yina yenko na yenko tai Otukokoso na echi na afi menhia eho na obehu eye amamre na bibia ekokama. Well, maybe a full license briefly, but I mean, can't say paying for a better chebia and near no so about minute enum. Alaji Bature etnase sans na the for Kennedy Japan. And so etnase na yedi yen common. Thomas Seidu Ibrahim or Takwa, thank you, always behind us. Watch the essence of playing golf. And the while as ba maybe say Ghana golf I can see saying the yetimiako. We are say after na sa and common. But quickly 0302 21701 up to 4 0302 21701 up to 4. Probably nipa ba community and sabi multi me after muntem no. Yeah, this and common. Hello, good morning Apom. To say good morning. Hello. 0302 211 701 up to 4. Good morning, Ashaven. No matter saying.
Oh, Omani Cobna Santina, Daruma, and Paibo, and Yajuma Pa, Mobo, Amagana, Nehoya Pan and Pacha, Unia, Tiaman, Quatama from Monte
Boko, Bibia come.
Oh, Yamiadum, Webabuna for so, City South, and Ayasuna for Muso, and Aborico Focus on a qualidad. So, maybe a blind about qualidad and Indian will be a mechanic, and Yapon can only Yajuma Boboa, Bonafone President Mama. Minia. Mestre, we say the Nanado Kutar, it's all mine who chief notice. Or say so, Yamabua, no more to about man, a developmental project or the Babu Tarigi, and the other Pagana. And then maybe Simon will say, trying a developmental project, not President Mama, and then I don't know, Ghana, and you put it in the Bonafua, or my for a chip compound, district hospital, any project I may have.
Okay, yeah, that's it. I have been a breath here, interviewing Quenibium, while as much I pumped saying, Maybe come on. Good golf. Adia Ghana see a kind internationally na.
Golf for no more constituency.
More constituency. But I follow under sports.
Oh yeah.
But it was kind of as if Omati Omwa Kujina.
Say Benya Domo maybe Kakao myself.
Na maybe you myself. Thomas said Ibrahim Mamu say golf crowd say on pepper. And no ask what registration.
Now golf.
Oh, I know Kasa Chedi.
Let me be say what you.
No, I can't Kasa. Hey, now ade a wote
make us na wo a wote we
emra ho asese sound usu no ban na wo de kasa no I take it no don't
say the meaning na say wo a wote we oh bog off hey any sports ni say dey hey when you say dey wo fu a bog off